UCD is one of the largest, most established centres of learning in Ireland. UCD Professional Academy combines academic heritage with modern ambition to provide industry-leading professional courses. Our Professional Academy diplomas are designed to help you build career momentum. Our short courses teach practical, applied skills to support you to achieve your career and business goals. Do you want to bring websites to life? Dive into front-end web development and master the skills to create stunning, interactive user experiences. Whether you're starting from scratch or leveling up your coding game, this course will turn your ideas into reality. Through expert-led sessions, this course will equip you with the practical skills and knowledge to build dynamic websites and web applications. You'll master the essentials: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Collaborative class discussions, hands-on lab activities, and weekly self-study will reinforce your learning, culminating in a final project that showcases your skills. By the end, you'll gain a solid portfolio and industry-recognizable credentials, preparing you for success in the booming web development industry. Mastering essential web technologies not only equips you with in-demand skills, but also makes you stand out in a competitive job market. Plus, with a portfolio of real websites to showcase your skills, you'll have tangible evidence to impress employers or clients and take your career to the next level. This course is perfect for beginners who have an interest in coding, graphic designers looking to expand their skills, or entrepreneurs needing an online presence. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today.